and welcome to this series of 25 Christmas cookies from around the world. We are continuing with our cookie adventure, and today we are going to the United States. We are using the Joy of Cookies cookbook and we are trying out Moravian Christmas cookies. Yeah, let's see what you're working with so that we can begin. Welcome, karibu sana. All-purpose flour, baking soda and baking powder. On this plate I have ginger, cinnamon, clove, mace and salt, some shortening and brown sugar, vanilla and molasses. In our bowl that we already have the flour, we are going to put our baking soda and baking powder, our spices and our salt. Then we mix. So we are going to beat our shortening, our brown sugar and the vanilla, and then we will add the molasses as we continue. We're going to add our flour mixture, but you're going to add it in bits as we mix. We're not going to pour everything. I'm going to refrigerate it overnight, so see you tomorrow morning. So we are going to divide our dough into 4 portions and then start working with 1 and return the 3 into the fridge. Flour my surface a bit. Then I'll roll my dough, cut, and then collect the pieces, put them in the fridge, take 1 portion of the one that we've put in the fridge, we cut like that until we are done with the whole dough. That's the process. Here's my cookie cutter. I'm going to dip it in some flour a bit. And cut. This is what I've done for now. I have a lot of dough remaining, but we'll bake this one first. We're going to bake it for 6 to 10 minutes.